electricity as well. It's a tiny home community, a place where we can all be. Put down a slab and rent to them. You'll make 2,500 off of the top. There's even spaces for me to put a workshop. See, I understand that it scares you, man, but what do you think? This place don't stink. I would put up fences all around the yard. It's not that hard. We could grab a small cabin or a house with brick and wood throughout. Maybe put up stockade fences around. See, what I could do is put up an ADU and build some bikes, maybe a go-kart or two. You could live in a big house with hardwood and brick throughout. A big old yard and have another third house dropped, and I'll get paid. I swear I won't run my mouth. My friend did it before, the best thing they ever did. It pays the bills as if they never did. Think of it as a lot, an unbuilt upon plot, but it has a well, electricity